To apply Snooze. Wash and dry your face. Avoid oil-based lotions or serums. Eye drops and ointments are fine. Open the Snooze package. It contains 2 shields. Peel away the protective front covering. Grab one shield by the tab and peel it from the backing. Set the backing aside on your bedside table. Close your eyes. Apply the shield to your eyelids with the tab facing up or down, whichever you prefer. Press gently into place, starting at the inside corner between your eye and nose, then smooth outward. If the seal isn't tight enough, lift the shield by the tab, pull your eyelids together slightly, and re-stick. To remove temporarily, grab the tab and peel the shield off. Stick it to your cheek or the saved backing. When ready to reapply, unstick the shield and apply to your eyelids again, adjusting the seal as needed. To remove permanently, grab the tab and peel the shield off. Discard in the morning.